What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the BNB price chart because today we have just broken an important support level, and right now of course we want to know what has happened next, what levels are we aiming for, is the price target from the last video still active. So let's get right into this. So first of all, you may remember the price target that I have mentioned in the last video, this one right here at 1086, let's say 1087. And right now, as I'm making this video, this price target is still active. And right now, let's also have a look into when this price target will become inactive and also what are the next support levels we are looking for. So first of all, I can see a support area right here. So this is basically a support zone right here. You can see we have touched this multiple times right here, here, and here. And that is a potential next level we are dropping to in case that we should close here below the support level that we have just broken, which is, by the way, the old all-time high. So this one right here, that is the level that we have also broken with the daily candle close and activated our price target. And this is potentially happening. Currently, the whole market is a little bit going to the downside after the FOMC meeting. BNB, of course, also is doing its part in it. But also, if we quickly have a look into the smaller time frame right here, into the 1 hour chart, we can see that we have broken the support right here, made a retest, and then started to continue the dump. Right now, we are having some sort of reversal. That is why I'm saying let's wait for the daily candle close to see if we make it above the support level right here. But in case we don't, we probably are aiming here for the first support zone. But also let's have a look into some more support zones in case this correction is getting uglier. So let's have a look. I also have another support zone right about here. That's a little bit too high. So this is the next support level that I'm looking for. It's basically this area right here. We have several peaks in there, several touching points right here. That is the second support level that I'm looking at. And the most important support level that I'm looking at is this one right here. Let me quickly put that up here. Yeah, it's about, that should be right. So it's 647, and that is an important level because in case we are breaking this, and it's a long way to go, so I think as I'm making of the video with the current data, I think this is not likely. But in case we are going below this level, this would be the point where we would invalidate this price target right here, because this is the 50% zone from the whole upside move that we had. And if we are breaking it to the downside, confirming it with a daily candle close, that would make this price target right here invalid. Right now, as I said, I think this is not likely, but we need to wait for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is probably setting the direction here. You know, the whole market is following Bitcoin. I have mentioned it in several videos that in Bitcoin we had a nice breakout above the old all-time high, but so far we did not have a retest. And this is right from the current point. This is about, let's say 4% away. Eventually we are dropping a little bit lower, you know, just a typical wick that we do in corrections. So maybe about 5% if that is the level we are testing. And you know, if Bitcoin drops 5%, altcoins could easily fall 10% or more. And in BNB from the current level, this would be this support level right here. So let's see what is happening right here. These are the levels that I'm looking for. And I'm also waiting for if there is some confirmation at one of these levels. In case there is, or in case there should be any changes, either to the upside or to the downside, or also if there is a potential good buying opportunity, you know, I will upload another video on this channel, so make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. Also, if you have any questions or if you have any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post it down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.